Yeah, we got a new car, Lina. That's our new one. It's ours. Yay! Sabi ko kay Mr. na tamang-tama Friday pala ngayon. Sabi ko paasuhan ko siya ng insenso ba.
Okay. That pink bit, that square goes here. That.
Yeah.
Wait, is that the right way around?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Right? I should go the other way, no? What is that?
This is the back.
Oh.
This is the front.
Yeah, I know. That looks, isn't it?
Hello.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Good morning mga kachika. Mag 7:28 na ng umaga yung dalawang sasarapan ng tulog. Pero gigisingin ko na din yun sila. I-ready ko lang yung breakfast. Mag-ano lang daw sila today, si cereal, yung request ni Alena. Binibigyan pa namin yan sila ng cereal gaya ng maybe once or twice a week. Kasi nangihingi talaga sila mga kachika. Pero yun nga, pag Friday para ngayon, pag simula Monday, basta pag ibang araw talaga, lalo pasok sila sa school, lagi talaga mag-porridge. So ngayon ko lang sila bibigyan ng cereal. So, minsan, weekend, pero yun, na nila ba, na in-explain ko na yung kay Alena, bakit hindi nyo na kailangan magkain palagi ng cereal. Naintindihan naman ni Alena. Pati si Alisa din, nasasanay na din siya na magkain palagi ng porridge. Hindi din ako maghanda ng pack-lunch nila kasi mag-school dinner sila. Nag-book na ako ng food nila for today. So, kahapon ko pa yung binook. Dami ko pang mga tinupi. Yan yung tupiin ko kahapon na yan. Natupi ko na siya pero hindi ko pa naligpit kasi late ko na yan na natapos kagabi mga kachika. At ayan. Ayoko magising yung mga bata na maingay pag-open pa ng drawer. So, ngayon gigisingin natin sila. It's late. It's late. Morning. Sige na. Get ready. It's late. You want cereal for breakfast? You want cereal for breakfast? Yeah.
Cereal.
The brown one? You don't want the circle one? Okay. So, good morning to them.
Good morning.
Non-uniform pala sila today mga kachika.
You're good at reading. Did you do it when you were 7? Like me?
No. I always got short hair. Nana, I always cut my hair.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Because my hair wasn't really nice. So.
Have a nanny. She's never. Choice. Remember you said to me you didn't have a phone, you didn't have anything to do, you thought be friends, rice.
Okay, tara. Stop fixing it. You're gonna ruin it if you keep fixing.
Hi.
How was it?
Oh,
Good? Like that? Okay.
I don't want to go to my school. You don't want to go to school?
You did it?
You don't want to go to school. You going to work?
Yeah, good.
I'll go to school tomorrow. I'll go to my school tomorrow, Mama.
Go to school tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll go to my school tomorrow.
Dali, babe. Pagkas to. Na pag dito water na, have your vitamins. Dito tayo ngayon sa third floor mga kachika. Ayan, ito na naman yung view natin. Third floor. Pawit na ako mga kachika, kain tayo. Ito yung nabili ko kahapon ba. Masarap to. Croppers.
Okay.
Ali, croppers. Gusto din to ni Alina, pati ni Mr. Series ayaw niya.
Phone.
You want your hat?
No.
No? Okay.
Too much in my pockets.
Yeah, too much. Okay. See you later. I lock the door.
Yeah, lock the door. Yeah.
See you later. Mali talaga yan siya sa bus bagay pabalik-balik. See you later. Pabalik-balik dun sa sasakyan. Ay, iwan ko kano yung kinukuha niya. So ngayon, maalis yan siya mga kachika. And then ako na magliligpit ako dito na mga magbabacuum din ako kay kailangan i-vacuum yung carpet namin. So, dyan. Tapos ko lang kumain ako ng spaghetti. Sabay kami kumain. Naghahabol yun siya ng bus kasi yung bus ay 12:54. So ngayon 12:51 na, ewan ko kung maabutan pa yung, kasi kung hindi niya maabutan, mag-antay pa yun siya ng, yung the next one ay 1:24. So, hindi ko alam. Basta, sana nga lang, malate yung bus pagdaan, kasi yun na lang yung, niya, yung pag-asa niya na maabutan niya yung 12:54. Kasi pag hindi malate, ay, late yun. Malilate talaga siya. Ligpit muna ako dito mga kachika. Kakain ulit ako. Kumain lang ako ng spaghetti. Yung tira pa namin yun. Yun na din yung last. Tira ni Alina kagabi. Hindi niya nakabos yung binigay ko sa kanya kasi marami-rami. Hindi niya naubos. Sabi ko, ilagay mo sa fridge. Kakainin ko yun bukas pagkatapos sa work. Magligpit muna ako dito kaya marami akong ligpitin ng may hugasan din ako dito mga kachika. Saka na ako ligpitin ko muna to. Saka na ako mag-upo-upo at least kahit mag-upo-upo akong pahinga-hinga ba, at least malinis na yung dito kusina. Tapos mag-vacuum ako para tuloy-tuloy na ba yung upo-upo natin ba. Magsundo pa naman ako mga bata mga 3 o'clock. So meron pa ako mga 2 hours kagawin yung trabaho ko dito at saka yung magpahinga-hinga saglit. Ayan, paalis na kami ako mga kachika. Bihis ko. O yung binihis ko kanina ba? Kaidlip ako saglit. Saglit lang siguro mga 10 minutes. Bumangon ako kayo. Biglang nagugutom na ako. Nakafeel na ako ng gutom eh. Kasi nga yung kinain ko kanina is yung ano pa lang. Yung ang tawag doon. Yung spaghetti lang natira. Kumain na ako. Buti na lang may food sa fridge. Init-init ko lang yung manok din ha. Niluto ko nung isang gabi para sa mga bata. Yun na lang din yung kinain ko na ano. Tsaka rice. Init lang din. Yun lang. Makulimlim talaga pa. Pero hindi naman siya umuulan. Tapos nakabihis ako kay pupunta kami ng ano ng M&S. Magbabas lang kami ng mga bata. Papunta doon and then pipick upin na lang kami mamaya ni Mr. kasi may pinuntahan yun siya mga kachika. Kukunin niya kasi yung sasakyan. Di ba nung isang araw nagpunta kami? Kailan ba nung Monday yata yun? Tuesday. Nagpunta kami ng Exeter, di ba? Kasi may tinignan kami na sasakyan sa doon sa anong tawag dyan sa yung sa auction ba? Auction ng mga car auction pala. Yun na yung tamang word. Car auction yung pinuntahan namin. So yun nga na ano kasi namin nakuha namin yung gusto ni Mr. na sasakyan, gano'n. Actually hindi pa alam na mga bata, mga kachika na maya. Bago kami sasakyan na parating. Hindi naman talaga hindi siya bago, pero bago ba para sa amin ba kasi nga yun na kami na yung magiging may-ari at saka ayan, pero ano nga yun siya, hindi talaga yun siya bago. Sa auction na nga. Pero nakita niyo naman yun na maganda pa yung ano niya, yung itsura niya. So, dalawang isip talaga yun si Mr. Dapat kanina pa yun siya alis. Punta na city, mag-ano lang pa yun siya. Galing dito sa bahay, magbabas siya papunta doon sa same bus na sinasakyan ko papunta sa work. Dahil lang ha. Kasi baka na-late ako. And then, yun, may babaan doon na malapit sa work. May babaan doon na papunta naman siya sa train station kasi magte-train yun siya. Pagdating na niya ng train station, siguro mga 35 to 40 minutes yung travel ng train galing dito papunta ng Exeter. And pagdating doon, sasakay ulit siya ng taxi, magta-taxi siya. Papunta naman doon sa yung pupuntahan nga niya kasi nga wala kasing bus na pumupunta doon. Medyo kasi yun siya na yung nasa loob ba. Hindi talaga nasa highway na mahirap na yung madali lang makasakay ng bus. Ganun. Yun siya doon. Hindi. Pang siya, malayo-layo siya talaga. Medyo sulok ba? Sabihin na lang natin na sulok. Ganun. Kaya yun yung pinunta niya dito. Tapos yun na, hindi pa nga alam ng mga bata. So, surprise namin yung mga bata. Kung may kailangan ba akong i-check dito. Naka-off na yun. I-off ko din yan. Tapos, ayun, alis na tayo.
Pub is gonna close. Close.
What?
When the pub is gonna close.
6 o'clock. Oh. Kumakain sila ng, give the isa na lang, be. I got cheese sandwich for you. Cheese string. You want it?
Yeah.
Kumakain si Alisa ng orange at saka yung pear, hindi nila kinain kaya hindi daw masarap yung pear. May binibigay kasi sa kanila dyan na paglabas dyan sa my gate. Ang daming pear doon mga kachika at saka ano ba yun? Pear, banana, and oranges bino. Every Friday talaga yan as in ang dami-dami doon. Kasi yung pear hindi na talaga nila kinain kasi daw hindi masarap. Yung yung orange lang kinain. Dalawa lang din kinuha ko pero marami doon.
Every Friday, Mummy, you always go to the cafe.
Yeah. Be careful
Look at
sa
my-
Alina's eyes. Alice?
Guys,
Dito na pala si Mr. mga kachika. Ayan, nag-ano na kami. Punta si Mr. sa Sainsbury's. So yung mga bata, hindi pa talaga nila yan alam. Isusurprise namin yan sila. Dito na muna kami nagtambay kasi matagal-tagal yung si Mr. Sainsbury's lang naman yun siya pupunta mag-food shopping. Kasi marami kaming kailangan na bilhin sa Sainsbury's na food ba. Look pretty today. Like a teenager.
Yeah. I look like I'm 8 years old. Or
Mm.
9. The people was touching. Lola was touching this because she loves the salt.
Is it so?
Yeah, very soft.
Oh yeah.
So cute.
Uy, ito window. Come on, let's go.
Well, let's go this way. Oh, you know, Eve, Lola's sister, she got iPad. Mama, she went to the eye test. She told me.
Okay, tara, let's go.
This way.
That way, yeah.
And this way.
Nalaginding na talaga ang aking Alina. Tara, Bi.
And this side. This way.
Okay, tara, Bi, tara. Ikot-ikot lang kami kaya matagal-tagal pa yun si Mr. mga kachukay. Wala naman kaming kailangan dito sa MNS. Kailangan lang namin doon sa Sainsbury's.
I like it when I do like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Looks nice.
You always let me to do like that, you know, like that. The toilet and you're throwing up when you go upstairs, and you remember when you go upstairs, you
Parang
feel
akong
like
gikabuhian mga
you
kachika.
feel like
Para
you're
akong
gonna throw up.
nasusuka.
What is this for? Yes, please.
Neck.
Oh
Necklace.
My God, too nice. I love
It's too
this.
much.
High.
Uso talaga to dito. Kahit dito mga kachika. Yung third drop ba? Third drop style na mga earrings. Nakalabas na yung mga pang summer kaya it's spring.
Oh my God, look like two boys, like you're rich. Come here. Did you sell it?
What?
The car?
No, you have to find a car. Lisa, where you going? Put it properly.
Did I see it? I saw it. Sell it. Like you said.
Okay, you have to find a car. Get the car. Umbrella, you do need umbrella.
It's raining.
It's not raining. You have to find a car now. I don't know where's the car.
I don't know. I think it's up there. I'm going.
Where is it? You don't know?
You need the car?
Maybe it's this one.
Yeah, we got a new car, Lina. That's our new one.
What do you think?
What you think, Lina?
It's only got 2 doors though.
Yeah, 2 doors. What you think, Lina? Lina,
Right.
what do you think?
Yes.
Good?
There.
Oh, wait a minute.
Are you joking? This is new.
Yeah, it's
Well,
all.
it's not new.
It's not new, but it's
New
our
to us.
new to us.
New to us.
Our new. This is,
Mama,
we have. Our,
that's the new one.
yeah, it's not new. We are the new owner.
Huh?
Daddy, I'm
Hello.
gonna sit in there.
Yeah, you're gonna sit in there. Yeah. Wait, I've got to figure this out first.
Oh no.
Huh?
Can I go in now?
Okay, come here, Mo. Come here first.
There's only one door.
2 doors.
Okay.
What do you think, Lina?
Good.
Good? What do you think?
Good.
Kasi wala pa kaming car seat mga kachika. Kasi nga, nasa isang, yeah. Huh?
It's like, they only got $1 to $2 and the one there. When they got a red car.
Mm-hmm.
There's
Yeah.
like one
What
like
do you
that.
think?
Good.
Good?
It's like it.
It's like it?
It's the new car.
Yes.
Mama, I need the
Wait, is still thinking?
Huh?
Is still thinking?
No, it's not. Wonder why it's so clean. Maybe it's been painted again. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I think they painted it.
There's a really car.
More forward.
I don't know.
My goodness. Yeah, different sound.
What? Yeah, it's quiet, isn't it?
It's not like that. Is that? Can you get it?
Yeah.
Ah.
I got it.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Lina?
Something of bottles in there.
Okay, Lisa?
Yeah, but nothing
Got a washer in it.
Mm.
really. Nothing in here.
Quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, quiet no. It's not like that.
Huh? Well, it's not a diesel for one thing.
Ah, it's a gasoline no.
Gasoline,
Gasoline pala to
yeah.
mga kachika.
Right, watch it now.
Okay. Okay.
Wait a minute, release the brake. That's right.
My goodness. Okay.
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 You got the belts on?
Okay, yeah, they got belt.
Good
Yeah.
doctor in there, isn't it?
Mm.
You like it? Do you-
Brilliant. This one's
Brilliant.
yeah. It's getting like dark, like this one.
Okay, sit still lang now. Sit still.
Okay. Really cool. I like this. I like this. The coffee thing. I touched the ceiling. Yeah. I touched it. I touched the ceiling. No, you can't. I can. No, you didn't. Yes. No, you didn't. Yes. Huh? Yes. Try to touch it again. Okay. No, you didn't. Yeah. I did it.
Yeah, it's still there. Oh. Akala ng mga bata na wala na yung isa naming yung sasakyan ba na kulay blue ba ni Mr. ba. Tapos sabi ko kay Mr. na ha?
This is a ball, right?
No, this is not. This is ours.
Daddy bought it. Daddy bought this one.
Daddy bought it. So it's gonna be ours. Yeah. It's ours.
Yay!
Sabi ko kay Mr. na tamang-tama Friday pala ngayon. Sabi ko paasuhan ko siya ng insenso ba. Sabi niya lilinisan niya daw muna and then yun papa-insensohan ko daw. Sabi niya saka na muna anuhan insensohan pa na ano niya na malinis niya na. So lilinisin daw muna niya to para maano ba mablessingan ba mga kachika ba ng insenso. Okay lang naman sa kanya yan. Kahit doon nung lumipad kami dyan. O paaso ako ng insenso. Walang problema yan. Kung ano yung mga paano-ano ko. Sunod lang yan siya mga kachika. Kala ng mga bata na hiram lang to. This is a baro. Kasi di ba minsan pag ano yung iba yung ibang sasakyan yung ginagamit din ni Mr. pag mag-drive kasi lalo na pag pinapaayos niya yung blue. So sa ngayon kasi yung blue talaga anytime mga kachika. The old one daddy no anytime can be finished daddy no.
Which one?
The old one. The blue one.
Oh yeah,
Car.
yeah. Well, this could happen. Like happen to any car, you know. There's only 62,000 on this. That won't be. The other one is 166,000.
166 now? How much?
What?
How many miles when you bought that one?
100.
100? You love that car? This car pala, not that.